Get the fuck out, abusive bitch. Get out! This abusive fake bitch talking about ignore them. You keep doing that and they gonna keep on. Get the fuck out my chat and stay the fuck away. Stay off my fucking chat, bitch. I'm fucking tired. I'm talking about, oh, you keep on acting like that and they're gonna keep doing it. Talking about, ignore them, you keep doing that and they're gonna keep on. And you can't even fucking spell. Get out! And y'all still in the chat, stop blocking the fucking comments! Stop! Yeah, they illegally blocking comments. Y'all don't have the authority or right to do this. Stop! I can't believe this fucking shit. Please help. Someone please help me. I need to raise $85 more before it gets too late. Please help ASAP. Get out! Look how many subscriber numbers they're showing, but only 1 or 2 people coming. Stop blocking the fucking chat. Yeah, exactly. That's what I be saying. But they want to lie and say that they don't have any money to help me, but they got money to go get their cocktails and margaritas. Oh wow, I'm sorry, Camilla. See a fake perp criminal is illegally blasting loud fake music. Oh, hurry up and turn the stupid fake fucking light. Turn that shit off! And fucking, wow, they're stealing my monetization. Wow. Fucking ignorant. And they're prolonging the light on purpose. Stop! Get out! Stop messing with the chat! Yeah, that's them playing games. That's them doing that. No, they're forcing me to suffer out in the cold. I can't believe I can't get fucking help. I got 5 more minutes. Please help. I got 5 more minutes. And they stole 10 minutes off my live stream chat. They illegally erased and stole 10 minutes off my chat. I'm screenshotting your crimes. And I have a headache. Get the fuck out! Get out! You stalkers are the ones running around yelling, "Hail Satan," but y'all lie and say I'm evil. I got 5 more minutes and I can't get help with $50. They're forcing me to suffer out in the cold. No way they have this many viewers and I can't get fucking help. Fuck y'all fake asses for sitting there watching somebody suffer and won't help. Fuck y'all for being fake. It's 11:46. And I can't even get the fucking deposit. And so they're forcing me to be dirty with shitty clothes. I can't even get to clean, I can't even get a shower. And so they cause me forced diarrhea and blocking me from getting a shower. Get out! So now I can't even get a shower. I even have doo-doo inside of my vagina because y'all caused me forced diarrhea. And I didn't even get to eat what I wanted at the restaurant. I didn't even get to eat what I wanted because they caused me forced diarrhea, and I didn't even have a good dinner experience, really. Imagine me going on the train with no bath, no shower, no clean clothes, and diarrhea in both my ass and coochie holes. I'm only gonna go and take the trip, the train trip. I gotta see what I can do and where to go. I might have to change around my plans. I'm gonna try to see what I could do. So I might upload or release this video later on. So with the donated funds from last night and the other deposits, I use that towards survival and meals and everything, so I have to, I guess riding this is my first time in my entire life trying this, rail pass.